Okay, hey guys, so I want to give you some tips about how I take care of my hair after I've got a keratin treatment. It's almost 2 weeks now that I've had it, and this is completely unstyled hair. I even slept on this, and like this is how smooth keratin treatment will smooth down that cuticle. Now, first things first, after you get your keratin treatment, most commonly the hairdresser will leave some of the product in your hair, and I try to go at least 4 days without washing my hair when I first get my keratin treatment, because the product is still seeping into your hair. You really want the hair to absorb it, especially if you have like a low porosity in your hair. Like my hair is very dry, so I feel like it did sink in fairly well for me, but I still waited that full 4 days down to the hour until I washed my hair out. And it is hard to do because it does have like a little bit of a smell when you do get that done to your hair. So rule of thumb, do not put your hair up during those 4 days. Keep it flat, keep it smooth, brush it every morning. You can even still straighten it if it like gets some creases and you're working, you want your hair to look nice. And it helps to sleep on a silk pillowcase, and also to wrap your hair. And I'll show you what I do. This is a silk scarf, and right before I go to bed, they also make things for this. I think like Lily Silk has something. Right before you go to bed, you want to, it's like a square, and I fold it into a triangle, and I lay it over my head, kind of a little bit on the forehead, and then you just want to tie it in the back underneath your head, or you can bring it forward if you don't want to like sleep on that little bump in the back, and you could just tie it in a little bow up at the crown of your head. So I do this, and I just leave the hair, flat like this. It's very comfortable. You can sleep on your side. You really don't have to worry. And then I also sleep on a silk pillowcase as well. So they make products for this, which I actually just ordered one from Lily Silk, and I'll list it down below, to keep your hair flat. It's like a really big silk bag almost, but it's like pretty. It has a little bow on it. And another rule that I like to follow is you want to put your hair up as little as possible those first 2 weeks. But I had mine done in July, and it's really hard to keep your hair down all of July for 2 weeks. So I got this, so this is a little French hair clip. It's by the company Camilla Paris. They make really high quality, good hair clips, and I'll also link this below because this is like my baby. Now I have thin, fine hair. Maybe if you have super thick hair, this might not work for you, but let's say you're cooking and you just need to get your hair out of your face for a little bit, or if you want to wash your face at night. So what I do, I'll show you here. I just put it in a low ponytail because it still keeps the hair flat and down, and then this is the 3-prong one, and I just put it around it. I'm just gonna press it tight, and if I need to put my hair up, this is what I do. This clip is a game changer. It really does hold the hair. Now maybe if you're like going for a jog, no. If you're doing like high intensity workouts, it might slip out, especially if you have like the thinness and the fineness of my hair. But if you have thick hair, it might work for the gym. But you really kind of want to try to not put any creases in your hair, because keratin lasts up to 6 months if you take care of it. So if you prematurely create a crease in that, you're gonna have that crease in your hair for a good 6 months. Now you can straighten it out, but it's gonna reappear after each time that you wash it. So that's why it's really important to keep the cuticle smooth. You can still straighten it, blow dry it, but that's like the most important thing. Now, when it comes to showering, your hairdresser will probably suggest some products, and I highly suggest that you take their advice. Most of the time you want to use, of course, sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner, but you want to buy a shampoo and conditioner that has a little bit of that product in it. There's a lot on the market. If you just type in, I don't know, on Google, like a keratin treatment shampoo and conditioner, there's usually a shampoo, conditioner, and a mask, and you really want all three, because once a week you're going to want to use that mask to just kind of, it's like those 7-minute masks you leave on the shower just to really absorb it back into your hair, and it kind of refreshes it, and you will get your money's worth. You'll get that 6 months with the smooth cuticle, frizz-free hair. I mean, that's the perks of keratin treatment, right? And like I said, like, I have not styled my hair at all today. I've slept on it. This is just after I blow dried it last night. I went out today. I mean, it really works. So I think those are all my tips and some of the most important things, and I'll kind of like write a list down in the description below to kind of like itemize this a bit better. But I really hope this helps someone, because when I first got my hair done, I was kind of clueless, but I've had like 4 keratin treatments now, so I kind of really know what I'm doing. But okay, thanks for watching.